2, 3, start.
Hi guys, welcome to Mama's Kitchen. Today I got this big package in the mail and I'm so excited to open it. So let's do that.
Dun, 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 dun. Yay!
So I got these, they're big. I got these 3 humongous boxes of baking supplies, basically baking ingredients. I got them online, and yeah, this is almond olive cake, olive oil. This is blueberry confetti cupcakes, and this is chocolate pecan macarons.
Wow. Let's open one. Which one? One for each month?
Yeah, basically we ordered for 3 months and they all came together, so I'm gonna save them for May and June.
Okay, can we open one?
Yeah.
Which one do you want to make first?
Chocolate pecan macarons.
What?
Yeah. So I'm just going to take some scissors and cut this open. Let's see what's inside.
Very nicely packed.
Yeah. So it says bake, snap, share. So whoa, it's even laminated. So
Something for your scrapbook.
what do I need? 3 egg grapes, whipping cream, and this is what they came with.
What's in the box?
So it comes with parchment paper, piping bags. It comes with caramel, Calbit caramel, Calbit chocolate. This is sea salt,
So it tells you basically what's in the box and
cream
what do
of
you need.
tartar, cocoa powder, and then we need pecans, pecan halves and pecan pieces. And then sugar, icing sugar, and almond flour. And then is that it? Yeah, and then just confetti at the bottom. So that's super cool.
And in the back it has the recipe. Serving size, 3 dozen macarons. Whoa, that's a lot. Prep time, baking time.
3 dozen is a lot. How
and
much is 3 dozen?
step instructions.
How much is 3 dozen?
36.
Wow.
How are you feeling that you got this?
Excited. Whoa. 3 egg whites.
Beautiful. Are you ready to bake?